What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are back in the garage and we're going to be working on the Tacoma. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the Tacoma badges from either side of the truck and the V6 badge from the tailgate. And I also got these really cool TRD off-road badges that we're going to mount just like this high up on the door. These are made to look like the TRD Pro badges that come factory on the Pro truck. The difference in the Pro truck and the TRD off-road that I have is probably around $15,000 to $20,000. So we're just going to go for the look. We're not going to go for the actual Pro. But we already got the grill. If you've seen the last video, we installed the TRD Pro grill that says Toyota across the front. It matches the cement gray paint job. It looks really good. If you haven't seen it, I'll link that video right here. And yeah, let's get started. I think we're going to get started first by removing the badges from the doors, getting all the glue off, cleaning it up real good. I am going to be lucky, I hope. I don't want to jinx myself, but this truck is only about a week old, so these should come off and we should be able to get the glue off without damaging the paint. If you've got a truck that's really old, like 10 years old, you know, and the sun has been on the truck a lot and it's kind of faded the paint job, you could run into the fact that you pull it off and the paint job is a little bit different color. You might have to do some buffing, maybe some wet sanding, but we shouldn't have that problem, I hope. I'm going to get these off and get her outside and see how it looks. All right, I got you guys down here on my level. So all I'm going to be using right now is I don't even know if I'll need this, but I got this little plastic tool. I think it's an auto glass tool that you use to work on your car. Anyway, I've got that, probably won't need it. Then I've also got this Power Pro. This is a 50-pound test braid fishing line, and this is what we're going to use. I'm just going to pull a little bit off. And this is what we're going to use to remove the badge. You can use a heat gun if you want to. Some people do. You can heat it up and it might come off a little bit better. The only problem with heating it up is it might leave more of a mess that you have to get off. If you do it on a cooler truck, not cold now, but it's 95 degrees outside, so I think it should be warm enough for me to just come through it. So what we're going to do is we're going to start right here. And we're just going to start pulling it through just like this, in a sawing motion. It's really easy. When I get to the end down here, I'm just gonna pop it out. Now it stays stuck just a little bit, and see the black glue that it leaves? But see, we just cleaned all that glue off the back of the Toyota Tacoma emblem. And we're going to be able to put this up, and we can always clean this up really good, buy some more of this double-sided tape, put it on here, and reuse this if we ever wanted to. I highly doubt I'll ever put it back on, but I don't like throwing anything away. So we'll save the fishing line when we do the next side. So this stuff, it works best if you don't run over and try to get some alcohol, don't run over and try to get some soap and water. The first thing you need to do is use your dry hand. It's going to take a little bit of work, but you want to try to roll this stuff up and take it off piece by piece. Once you get all of the black off, then you can come over with some alcohol and start cleaning this up. But don't immediately come at this black stuff, because it's not going to work. You're just going to make a mess and it's going to drive you crazy. What I do is I just take my finger and I just start rolling it. Just like this. And your fingertips are going to hate you after you get done. All right, so after you get all of the black off, then you can go back with some isopropyl alcohol and get all this sticky glue. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but there's still a lot of glue here. We're gonna get all of that off with this. And then after everything's completely done, you can go and put a little wax on your truck or whatever you like to use to kind of blend everything back in and keep keep the paint protected right here, because this will take any wax or anything that's around this. It's also going to take that off. But that's it. That is how you delete your badges on the side. And as you can see, still got our badge. It's in perfectly good shape. It just needs some more 3M tape on the back side, and we could reuse it if we wanted to. So I'm gonna do the same thing to the V6 on the tailgate and do the same thing to the other Tacoma, and then we will be ready to add the new door logos. All right, so now we have got all three of our badges removed, both Tacomas, the V6 as you've seen. Can't even tell they used to be here. That's the great thing about the truck being newer, that the paint hasn't faded. It hasn't had time for the glue to really bake on or anything like that. So we got them off. I'm gonna put these up. Maybe I'll reuse them for something one day. Probably not, but they'll always be here in the shop. Now, put these over here. Now we are going to be installing our TRD off-road logo or badge, and it's going to go right here. I'm going to show you the way I'm going to do it. There's a lot of videos on YouTube about this. If that's why you're here watching this video, if you found my channel looking for this video, there's a bunch of different ways you can do this. I'm going to do this the way I'm going to do this. I'm not going to do the way that a bunch of other people do. Some people have done it this way. I'm going to take 2-inch masking tape and I'm going to run it right down this crease so it gives me a straight line. And then I'm going to level up the top of my emblem with the bottom of that masking tape. I'm also going to measure 2 3/4 of an inch off the edge of this door and go straight down, and that's where I'm going to start. And I'm going to do that on both sides. I'm going to tape off both sides first so that I know that both sides of the truck will be exactly the same. I'm not going to have one lower than the other. You know, even though you can't see them both at the same time, it's still, you want them to be as close to perfect as possible, and that's what we're going to do. So first I'm going to clean this door up a little bit. We're going to lay down the masking tape, and we're going to get the logo on. This comes with the peel and stick. I believe it's a 3M. It seems like a 3M. The same stuff that we pulled off the factory is the same stuff that's on the back of this. So hopefully we don't lose these. It looks kind of thin. I don't know if you can tell, but it's not really thick. The other stuff that was on was really thick. So hopefully this holds on. These were only about 25 bucks for the set off Amazon. So if they blow off, I might have to order some more and maybe get some of that. They sell the badge adhesive, like for car emblems. You can get the actual squirt on, but then you got to tape it on in position and let it dry for a little while. Hopefully it don't come to that. Hopefully this holds really good and we can just stick these on and go with it. So let's get this cleaned up and taped off. All right, so after we get it taped off, as you can see, I just pulled a straight line on that seam, and then I measured 2 3/4 of an inch. I put a line, and then all I did was just run a piece of tape straight down off that line. The only reason I did that is because I want to make sure that I got that reference. And all I'm going to do is just line up the top of this logo to make sure that it's even straight across, and that's where we're going to stick it. We're going to do the same thing the other side. First, I am going to take a little bit of this alcohol on a clean spot on the rag, and I'm going to clean the area to get any kind of wax or grime off to help it stick a little bit better. Just going to peel the backing off of this. Peels off just like this. One big old sticky pad. So once you get it in position, you got to get her on there. We're gonna do the same thing the other side, and then we'll move to the tailgate. Now I'm not going to wash the truck for a few days. I'm not going to let it get wet for a few days, but I am going to detail later, not on camera, but I will go back and kind of put a little bit of spray wax everywhere that I got the Windex and the alcohol, because it obviously took off the protective coated of wax off the paint. And then I'll give this about a week, and then I'll wash the whole truck and then give it a good detail again. I feel like this is going to hold pretty well. That 3M stuck really good. And it looks even. It looks nice and straight. One last thing to do. We're going to go to the back and put these emblems on. I can't wait to show you all these. All right, so I also got these off Amazon. We're going to do kind of the same process, except for we don't have to remove anything back here. We're just going to clean inside these little countersunk Tacoma, and we're going to replace it with these. Now I'll link these below too. Like I said earlier, if you're here because of the title of this video, this isn't normally what we do on this channel. Usually I'm fishing on a bass boat or kayak or doing some DIY stuff, something to do with fishing. But today we're working on the Tacoma, and these are going to sit in here, and these are metal. These are double-sided 3M tape on the back. Very heavy. I mean, this is not plastic stuff. This is actual metal Tacoma letters that are going to go inside there. So I'm going to clean up all of this, and we're going to do one at a time and get these on real quick. What do y'all think? Oh man, I love it. It looks so good with this flat cement gray. Let's pull it outside and see how it looks in the sun with the badges all the way around, and then we are done. Wow, man, those door logos look so good. Look at that. They look like they came on their factory. Let me take you guys off the tripod and walk you around. All right, so it is very sunny out here. So if there's a glare, I apologize. But so here's the grill we did in the last video. I'll show it to you. Look at that. That looks so good on there. I love that Toyota being the same color as the truck. What do y'all think? The chrome Tacoma logos are gone. I hate that my shadow is blocking it. Let's see if we can get it right here. There you go. Check that out. It looks so good. It matches the TRD 4x4 logo on the back. A lot of people take that off too, but I don't think I'm going to take that off. I think it matches really well with the new badges I put on the door. And then last but not least, check out the Tacoma. Well, it's a little shaded back here because of where the sun's at, but how awesome is that? All right, that's going to do it for the installation of these badges and the removal of the factory badges. Like I said, everything's going to be linked in the video description below. And I forgot to mention the TRD off-road badges that we just installed. There's actually several different kinds. I think there's 4 or 5 actually. One that says TRD Pro, a TRD off-road like ours, a TRD Sport, and then I think there's one that says TRD Bro. I'm really not sure why you would get one that said TRD Bro, but they've got it. I'll link them all in the video description below. Most of the links are gonna be from Amazon, so you can just click it and go straight to where I bought these on Amazon. I love the way it turned out. The next step, like I said, is probably gonna be the rooftop tent. It's coming soon. But if you're my subscriber and you're just here, been watching all my videos, and you're one of my members of the Yak Squad, don't worry, the kayak fishing videos are coming up soon. I've got a fishing video fixing to drop in the next couple of days. We took the bass boat out and did some fishing with Andrew Norby, and I appreciate the support. I really appreciate all the support you guys have been giving me, even after I bought this truck and I've been doing truck videos on my kayak channel. You guys are still sticking with me, so I appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.